taas sa tutoy, kung natin ayaw na lagi pag-locate ha. Natin ka nila matutoy.
Wala lagi masabo.
Okay, kung about dali, ayaw na po liya. Okay, just kuhan lang atong sternum. Okay, natulong mo sa sternum, di ba? Kini nga, cyphoid process na to. Okay. I know mga caregiver, mga nursing, natutulog yung mga sa mga sternum. Compare ano yung mga high school pa. Okay? Okay, locate. Then, this is adult. Then, lean forward. Okay, lean forward lang. Then, your eyes, ang inyong face is nakapod sa naong sa pasyente. Okay, dapat nakalak. Okay, then naka-straight elbow. Okay, then, okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Okay, 9 and 1. Go. Maximum head tilt because this is adult. Then, pinch the nose. Then release, localization and feel. Then pinch again ang nose, then blow. Then release ang nose, then localization and feel. Then proceed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Okay, localization and feel. Then pinch the nose, then blow. Then localization and feel. Then count. 1, 2. Count.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9 and 3.
And 3.
Then localization and feel. Then localization and feel. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4.
Okay, localization and feel. Then localization and feel. Then last cycle.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5.
Okay, and 5. Then localization and feel. Then localization and feel. Then next is check the circulation. Okay, 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Okay, pag-check na yung circulation, patient already pause on breathing. Nabuhi ang patient. Nalipulso na naginawa. Okay, recovery position. Okay. Sideline position. Okay, next, support sa shoulder o sa batak. Then 1, 2, okay, 3. Okay, then massage at the back. Okay, kuha ang CPR. Okay, kuha ang CPR. Then sa child is the same. Ano lang kamo sa child? Your one hand nasa chest, your one hand is support sa head. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sa child, this is the child. Yes, neutral plus. More siya sa child. Okay, sa child. Okay, then when you blow, remain na siya diha. Yung kamot, remain lang. Then blow. Pinch the nose when you blow. Then neutral plus. Okay, localization feel, toe blows. Okay, then again. This is for the child. Okay, kuha. Yes. Then for the infant, okay, for the infant, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when you blow, the same, remain ng gapon. Remain, then no need nga mag-pinch pa ka sa nose. Okay, support ka lang head, mouth to mouth on nose. Okay, then blow. Main blow. Okay, kuha. Then compress. Okay, kuha ang CPR from adult child and infant.
40 na yan.
30.
Oh, 30 na siya.
Okay, the same ng counting. The same counting.
Kuya,
Adult child and infant.
ipakilid gapon kuya.
Ha?
Ipakilid